Ishika, my colleague, joining us in order to get us the very latest on this. The BJP government in Delhi is now going to be launching 500, facilities as far as for children of women who are working as labourers in the city. These are going to be creches that are going to be opened by the BJP government in order to mark the Prime Minister's birthday. And of course, it was the Chief Minister of Delhi, who launched a song for Prime Minister Modi's birthday yesterday. While it is... Amit Shah will also inaugurate 5 new hospital blocks in Delhi and will launch 101 Ayushman Mandirs in addition to projects worth 3,000 crore rupees for the Delhi Jal Board and the PWD. There we have Rekha Gupta, the Chief Minister of Delhi, donating blood.
Seva Sankalp walk on the Kartavya Path, thanking Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his contribution, in fact, in Delhi and also for the centre's initiatives. Today, let me tell you that today is in fact the start of the Seva Pakhwara by the Delhi government, which will go on till October 2nd. And today, there are numerous yojnas that have to be inaugurated by the Home Minister Amit Shah ji, and with a special focus on, in fact, the health, that is the 101 Arogya Mandirs and various other schemes that are going to be inaugurated today. Now, certainly, it is the Prime Minister's birthday today, but in fact, the Delhi government making sure to turn into a grand celebration. Now, with camera person Mukesh Singh, this is Ishika Verma for NDTV.
Right, Ishika getting us the latest, and that was Rekha Gupta, the Chief Minister of Delhi, donating blood on the occasion of Prime Minister Modi's 75th birthday. There are blood donation camps that have been set up across the country, and of course the BJP, they're launching multiple projects, particularly in the national capital. Do remember that it is the BJP that has been elected by the people of the national capital. So the BJP focusing on the well thought out plans as far as Delhi is concerned, to the tune of 1,600 crore rupees. And we are also, there will be hospitals that are going to be inaugurated by Amit Shah. There will be 101 Ayushman Mandirs in addition to projects worth 3,000 crore rupees. These are projects under the PWD as well as Delhi Jal Board. We're talking about lots that has been planned up as far as Prime Minister Modi's birthday is concerned, and wishes pouring in from all across the country, not just across the country, but also from world leaders. And we're talking about US President Donald Trump there, calling Prime Minister Modi to wish him on his 75th birthday. Well, we have Ishika joining us. Ishika, you're joining us, of course, to take us through all that's planned by the BJP government. I mean, every state we're seeing, from planting saplings to donating blood. I mean, we just saw Rekha Gupta do the same as well. There are cleanliness drives, creches that are going to be launched, for the people, for the labourers. These are for the children of the labourers here in the national capital. 500 creches to be launched by the BJP today.
Well, Divya, as you very rightly mentioned, today is the Prime Minister's birthday, and it is a big day for the national capital today, because the Delhi government is in fact starting the Seva Pakhwara from today, wherein 75 schemes will be inaugurated by the Delhi government. Today, the start of the Seva Pakhwara, certainly will show you the visuals first. You can see that the starting is being done with the, largest blood donation camp here in the national capital, and we just showed you a while ago how the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, and along with her the other ministers of the Delhi government, are in fact donating their blood, after which they will be in fact doing the Seva Sankalp walk on the Kartavya Path, all to thank Prime Minister Modi and the centre's initiatives in Delhi. Now, not just that, it will be at around 1 p.m. in Tyagaraja Stadium that we'll see the very first inauguration of around 15 schemes today, most of which are today, concentrated on the health aspect. If we talk about the 101 Arogya Mandirs, if we talk about 150 dialysis units, all of this are going to be inaugurated by the Home Minister Amit Shah. And then again, there are, schemes of these, from different sectors, be it the education, be it the PWD, be it in fact the Jal boat, all of which are going to be inaugurated in this period of 15 days that the Seva Pakhwada will be going on. And as you have seen also, the Chief Minister very clearly saying that, the initiatives rather that has been done by the Prime Minister, today is the day to thank him. And for that only, you're seeing these grand celebration that is being done in Delhi. Over to you.